Hi, hello guys, welcome back to our channel. After a long time, I'm visiting you. I'm really first. I'm really sorry for a long time I didn't put any kind of video in our channel. It's because due to some personal issues I could not do it. Okay, fine. I'm really sorry for you. Please accept my apologies for this. So finally, I have a request to all my followers. Please wear a mask while stepping out of your house. If it is essential, please do step out of your house, or else please stay home, stay safe, because your loved ones will be waiting at you at your homes. Okay. If you are stepping out, double your mask, do sanitize as soon as possible whenever it is required, or please sanitize at many times. Okay. So this is my humble request from your Mixed Masala Aditya. Finally, after a long time meeting you, I'm really happy. Now, have a seen a movie. We could say that it is a cringe max because it's an Hindi movie. Some people would have found it because latest blockbuster they are saying it as. It's nothing other than finally Sallu Boy has produced and acted in this movie. His pair is his child Disha Patani. What a kind of thing they are doing. Okay, anyway, fine. The great blockbuster director Prabhudeva has directed this movie. My question is, why it is required to take Darbar Part 2? I don't have any idea. Because many people would have seen Darbar. Superstar Rajinikanth acted in it. A.R. Murugadas has directed it. Laika has produced it. So, why it is required for a part 2? I think Mr. This movie's director Prabhudeva would have thought, okay, why not let me try a part 2 for Wanted? Arey, what is the use of taking part 2 in Wanted? Okay, actually Wanted is a remake movie from Telugu movie Pokiri. It is been again remaked by Prabhudeva in Tamil as Pokiri. From Tamil Pokiri, he has remaked it in Hindi as Wanted by using Sallu Boy. What is the need of part 2 for this? He thought it would come as Wanted part 2, but it has a lot of cringe max in it. So coming back, what are the cringes you could see in that movie is first thing, the dance steps. Array, what a number of songs you have. It's pakka Chakbuster songs you have in your movie. How yes, I accept it. Sallu Boy could not dance, but what kind of steps you are putting? Prabhudeva Master is one of the best dancers in the world. You are having in with him. You are not using him properly. In number one Chatbuster song is C.T. Mar. It has a great million views in Telugu. Even DSP has remade it in Hindi. I don't know what is the reason he did it, because it has a great hit and it has a great views. But why did he do it? What is the reason? Okay, anyways he will get in the market. Okay, fine. Again he did a great job. He remixed the song very well. It came. But anyways Telugu audience don't like it. But anyways for Hindi audience it would be nice song. Now you could see Allu Arjun dance steps at max. He has used his energy at max. But what could we expect from Sallu Boy? At least I thought Prabhudeva would make Disha Patani to dance, let her have a separate solo dance performance at any kind of beach. But nothing happened. Sallu Boy is doing gym with Disha Patani. She is not Tamil's yaar. She is a human. And at I think 2.3, while the music is going on, he is covering his face and adjusting his pant. They are saying that it is a step. What is this? Okay, everything is fine here. Everything is fine. I accept. Okay, you are a number one actor at Bollywood, but you are doing a cringe match. Remember it. I'm coming to Prabhudeva. So what is the story behind it? Still I can't understand the story. It's a simple storyline, guys. That is Mr. Radhe is an IPS officer. Okay, he's a deputy commissioner or something, whatever. Let it be. Okay, he comes to take a case like you could say in some kind of movie, like for example, a Vijay Kant movie. They will say this policeman does not have any dimag. He is a pagal yaar. Why are you taking him to the custody? Some kind of people will say, hey, he is a great officer. If he comes, he just does encounter. So such kind of thing happens here for Salubai introduction. Finally, everything happens. Salubai comes. But I have a doubt regarding the title. Radhe, the most wanted boy. A police officer, how could he become a boy, yaar? What the heck is happening in your title card? Prabhudeva lost his mind while taking with the Salubai, I think so. And coming to the storyline, I forgot. I was speaking about the storyline, right? A simple storyline that was around 20 to 25 minutes part of Darbar movie. That's it. A police officer is going to stop the drug addicts. That is, the drug mafia is going on in between the students. Okay, he has to stop it, and he has to kill the villain. That's it. That is the 20 minutes part in Darbar movie. That's it. The cleaning of Mumbai city. That's it. Why you have to take this movie for 1 hour 58 minutes? What a reason? We saw it in Darbar, right? Did you change anything? Nothing. In climax fight, something should be realistic. Okay, Salubai is a human, not a robot. The villain is hitting with him with a gigantic rod. Okay, if he hits a single strike, his skull will squeeze off. But nothing happened to Salubai. Even a single drop of blood did not come. You are not taking Telugu movie, you are taking Bollywood movie. Remember that. Okay. Okay guys, fine. There are a lot of cringe banks in this movie. If you are a cringe addict or a cringe lover, please do watch this movie. It's available on the C5 app, and you have to pay it. Before paying, please think and pay it. So that's it guys, from me in this video, and I have a strong request for you guys. Please don't step out of your house until it is required. Please wear your mask, double your mask. Please sanitize yourself while you are going. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Bye and sign.